Step up. This is really dangerous stuff, but at the same time, if you know what you're doing and if you're being relatively safe, things like this can just be so much fun.
Woo! Dad's hopping down the mountain. Ready, guys?
Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Back to the video.
It's a long way down. All right, you ready? Let's go back up. We're gonna find another line. Here we go. Woo! Go!
Be sure to watch the video that's on the screen right now to learn more ways to incorporate exercise into your everyday life. This is Mini Movement Man saying be kind to one another. Peace.